Thanks for joining us as we learn how to use Global Road Warrior. This database includes information about different countries around the world. Start by going to the library's website at tiptonpl.org. From here, you will see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, or a hamburger as we like to call it. On a desktop computer, this will be in the upper right corner. On a mobile device, like a phone or tablet, it will be in the upper left. If you're on a mobile device, you will choose the Services option and then select Online Databases. You will find the Global Road Warrior link on that page. If you are on a desktop, you will select the Global Road Warrior option from the right-hand column that appears. Click on Global Road Warrior and you will be taken to a page that will require your library card barcode number. Input your number and hit the Sign In button. From the main Global Road Warrior page, you can select a country by using the map, the search, or the list. Once you've chosen a country, you will see the country's flag, current time and weather, as well as an overview article. You can also use the left-hand menu to choose several different categories, including climate, food, maps, and points of interest. The information in this database is great for both school reports and travel. Again, thanks for learning about Global Road Warrior with us. If you find yourself with questions this video didn't answer, please contact the Tipton County Public Library directly, and we would be happy to help.